how's life? It's LeTundra and welcome to my channel. Today we're making vegan egg and sausage sandwiches. So for this you will need either 1 or 2 sausages. My favorite types are Italian, but you can use any type of sausage that you want as long as it's vegan. And you cut them into medium-sized pieces. Usually I just like cutting them into medium-sized, but you can cut them big if you want to. It really doesn't matter as long as they're there. You will need 2 pans for making this recipe because you need them for cooking the egg and for cooking the actual sausage. And also you will need vegetable spread. I have a picture of the vegetable spread that I use below. You want to use no more than 1/4 tablespoon for each pan. As you can see, I used a little bit more than that because I tend to like having a buttery flavor in my food. This is optional for the eggs. You don't really have to put any butter on them if you don't want to. It doesn't like really hurt the flavor in any way, but you can. It's your choice. The next thing you do is you will cook the sausages in one of the pans and you cook them until brown, and you just keep you don't have to keep moving them or cooking them like as I'm doing here, like for the entire time, because obviously while you're cooking these you're going to be cooking your eggs at the same time. But for this you want to just like let them get covered in the butter and the spread, let them cover over it, because I think it really adds for the flavor, especially like the spread that I use and stuff. It has like a saltier taste and it goes really well with the Italian sausages. So you just move it around, let it coat over, make sure that's covered, that each piece is getting cooked properly. But overall you just want to let it cook by itself while you're making the eggs. So for the eggs, the type of brand that I use for the vegan egg is called Just Egg, and you just want to use 1/4 a cup of egg mix onto it, or however much is your preference. As you can see, I'm cooking the sausages again, but just as a brief note, you can feel free to add any other additional spices that you want during this time, like salt, pepper, oregano. I personally added oregano into this, and yeah, it's really just for your taste and stuff. Especially, if you are vegan, like, you can pretty much season it to however you want. It won't affect the taste. So the next thing you can do is you start scrambling the eggs. I think that's what it's called. I wasn't sure how to describe this, I guess, because, you're making scrambled eggs, but I wasn't sure if it was, like, cooking or, like, pushing it up or down. But anyway, you want to cook the egg mix and, basically scramble it like you would any other egg. And I just want to say during this part while I'm doing it, just for the type of egg that is, for this one, they have different brands for egg mix, for like vegan egg mix. The type that I use is called Just Egg. I'll leave a link to what it is in the description down below. But it's the first type that I use, and oh my gosh, guys, it is so good. It tastes just like real egg. It is a great brand. I would recommend it to anyone, like any vegans, or even if you're not a vegan and you just want to, like, eat something. Like, it tastes really good. I would recommend trying it. So as you can see over there, I'm just starting to season my sausage. If you haven't done it already, you could do it now. I did a little bit later. Just like it wasn't done yet, it was like just being close to done, and I was just letting it cook by itself, and I just decided to add them like towards the end and stuff for a better taste. I typically, like, if you see me in future videos, you should know that I use oregano in pretty much everything. It's like a bad habit of mine. But yeah, so once you're done that, you should be done within like, 5-10 minutes. It doesn't really take that long to make, but you could start plating your eggs on either toast or bread. I was really tired this morning, so I just decided to make it with egg, not with egg, I decided to make it with just regular bread because I was tired, and I just wanted to eat something quickly, make something fancy, but, obviously not make it like super fancy. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, that's just me plating it all up. And if you're wondering like if I'm vegan or not, I just want to say, like, I'm not vegan, but I want to start that diet soon in the future. Like, I want to become vegan in the future, and most of the people that I hang around are vegan, so I typically make a lot more like vegan foods or recipes to cater for them, especially like with my family and stuff, because most of them are vegan too. So I started like working with like vegan recipes and stuff, which is why I was making this today. But yeah, I decided that I wanted to make this because, like, I don't know what it is with people, but they always give them a bad hype about vegan food. Like, I don't know. Anyway, I'm getting off topic. This is the product. It's not for this morning. It wasn't like the best product because I was just like hungry. I need to eat something. But I'm telling you, like, it tastes good. Like, if you cook it right, it tastes amazing. Especially like sausage. I totally recommend eating it with Italian sausage. It tastes amazing. But anyway, that is the end of this video. If you liked videos like this, please subscribe and click that notification down below to stay updated, because trust me, it is a lot. If you would like to follow me on any of my other platforms, I have linked them down below. Stay fun, stay cool, and stay yummy, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!